Hello world, hello guys, how are you all doing? It's been a while on this platform. Last week was my birthday. Yes, last week Sunday precisely was my birthday, and I had a great time celebrating in church. It wasn't something big, but I had a cake. Like you can still hear my voice. Yes, so it's been a while here. I've not been here for a while. Hello world, my name is Esther of the Esther's Chronicles TV. I'm a YouTuber based in Zurich, Switzerland. So I've been having shoulder pain for a while, and I realized that each time I take medication like Dafacan, like paracetamol, it will just fade away, and I don't want to be living on that. So I went to see my doctor and we did an x-ray on the hand. So I was told that there was a little bit of inflammation. So because of that, I have to take some session of therapies. And I'm doing this video because I want to talk about the word therapy. When we hear the word therapy growing up, we used to think, if you go to therapy, then there's a problem. You know, some people, when they are distressed, when they have emotional trauma, they will tell them to go to therapy. And I've never been to therapy, but I've been hearing lately a lot of people talking about therapy is a good thing, therapy is a good way to go. So when my doctor suggested therapy, I'd be like, therapy? Then he now said physiotherapy. Like, you know, when you have shoulder pain, you have tension on your neck, they'll tell you to do massage. But what I realized is that there's difference between massaging by a masseur and when a physiotherapy massages you. So today was my appointment. I came, I got one very close to my house, and I've been saying it all this while. So I came, my doctor gave me like a prescription. I have to take like, I think 8 to 10 sessions to relieve the inflammation so that I don't have to be taking drugs every time. And guys, when I came now, I feel so light, even though the pain is there. I mean, I had to take off my shirt, and the guy was working on my body. The difference was that with the therapies that is trained, they focus on the muscle, so that we realize that there is tension, and it gave me like a series of exercises that I can do to release the tension there. And this physio, they have like a gym place. Yes, they have like a gym place, and I'm just loving it. And I said before I leave, let me just take some session to work out, you know, to work out. Another thing my doctor suggested was that I have to hit the gym. And hitting the gym, the focus is not losing weight, but the focus is gaining strength, having tenacity. I'm growing young by the day. I'm 42 this year, and we need to focus now on our muscles to make sure we have the right muscles, the right strength. You know, sometimes you just say, I want to be exercising, and you are skipping, and that's fine. You're running, and that's fine. But it's also good to check with your doctor, because your doctor will tell you what he thinks you need. A lot of people are hitting the gym because they want to lose weight. And losing weight is not supposed to be their focus, but rather gaining strength, having tenacity. So I just thought to stop by. On Sunday was my birthday, so you can still wish me happy birthday in the comment section. Your baby girl is growing young by the day, and I'm happy about myself, and I'm happy that I had to come to this physiotherapy. So if you need to visit a therapy for whatever reason, if you're emotionally down, if you're stressed, because the therapist will talk to you. My physiotherapy was talking to me, and I was feeling good about it, beyond doctors, you know, and we were working on my body, the tension. Guys, what is your goal? As I'm growing younger by the day, my goal is to have good bones, strong body, perfect skin, and all that. So I thought to drop this video, and I'll be doing some sessions before I leave. I will show you if I can, but if I don't, please like the video. I know that your girl loves you. It's been a while, so let me show you some clips from my birthday also. Keep watching. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't, okay?
Everyone, it's my birthday.
Okay, we thank Jesus. Give me J.